Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can customize quick access or quick settings on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to open the quick access, we need to swipe from the top to the bottom. Then we have the short version or the small version of the quick access where we have 6 buttons in total. We can also swipe one more time in order to open the full quick access. And now we also have the option to edit it. So if you press this pen icon in the top right corner, then you will start editing. But first, we can decide if you want to edit the top quick access, so these 6 buttons at the top, or the full one. So let's say we want to edit the full one. Press this edit button. Now over here at the bottom, you will find all buttons that you didn't add yet. And of course, you can swipe through them in order to start adding something. You can simply tap on these buttons in order to add them to the list. And on the other side, if you want to remove something, then one more time you can simply tap in order to move it back or actually remove it from the quick access. You can also reposition these buttons, and all you need to do is simply press and hold, and then you can drag it somewhere else, also to the other side, and then drop it in order to end the edit. Once you are done, press done button. Now let me also show you the edit of the top quick access, and it looks pretty much the same way. If you have 6 buttons at the top, then of course you cannot add more. You can tap on the button in order to remove it, and you can press the button in order to add it. And of course you can also reposition, so let me quickly add the airplane mode back, and then press and hold. I think we can reposition, yeah, there we go. We can press and hold and then drag it and drop it somewhere else. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.